There we go, people. This is Milex transmission. You get a free timing belt with paid lube. Don't believe it, it's a scam. They had 1509 US 19 in Holiday, Florida. They worked on my F-150. I got a 2006. What happened was they stripped out one of my plugs. They looked it up online. I brought it into them for a simple tune-up. That's it. Just a simple tune-up. And what they did is they forced one of them compression fittings down inside, stripped out the plug. They said, okay, now, not only that, you're going to need one of them fittings to go down the side of your plug. I said, how much is that going to run you how much is it going to run me all together? They said it's going to run me $450, but we would do it for $400. I said, okay, go ahead and do it. So I got mad, so I put a review on Craigslist. They keep flagging it. I mean, not Craigslist, Google. They keep flagging it because they don't want bad reviews on their site. So I'm going to do it this way. See if we get any hits on this. These people look everything up online. They do everything online, I'm telling you. Online, they've got a little computer on their desk, but they look up everything. They look everything up. They are not mechanics. They are not certified or anything. They look everything up online just to find out how to work on your vehicles. They don't do nothing but take a look on that thing, find out what your problem is, and they try to solve it. If they can't find out your problem, they call somebody else up to find out your problem. These people, I wouldn't even bring my vehicle back to them. They even chased me off from the property because I put the review up there and stuff. So I'm sitting at Checkers over here. They got a place right behind them. It's pretty good on cars. Not directly across the street, but right behind them on the side. They are really good on cars. Take it to them. But stay away from Rich and all of them up here. Even the owner said that he would take and make sure my vehicle is running right before it leaves the shop. I left the shop and my car is still running like hell. So people, stay away from the shop. Don't bring your car here, I'm telling you. You leave here, it's going to run like shit. Have a good day.